we are going to be looking at the 3 key principles of an inverted fair value gap model. And let's just get right on into it and not waste any time. Okay, so number 1, you guys can see I have listed up here, no liquidity, no trade. Now, what is liquidity? We are looking for the market to sweep a liquidity point that has orders resting there. In this example, we get a money sweep just like this. The market comes up, okay? It sweeps liquidity, and at the same time, it sweeps into a 5-minute fair value gap to the left. It's a 5-minute bearish fair value gap. So we're now inside of a bearish fair value gap, and we're sweeping liquidity inside that zone, okay? That's step number 1. Step number 2 is going to be V-shaped recovery out of this area. I want to see a strong reversal in the opposite direction now, okay? And I'm also going to mark this as a 1-minute bullish fair value gap because, guys, on the leg up that takes liquidity, we need to be looking for a bullish fair value gap that's left behind in order for the market to then flip it to become an inversion. So here we go. We're looking for a V-shaped recovery, which we end up getting. Boom. Now we have an inverted fair value gap. Okay, let's mark that out. Next, we're looking for a DOL, which is a draw on liquidity lower. We have London lows resting down here, and we have Asia lows resting down here. Okay, so we're now going to wait for a retest. Again, there's 2 ways to trade this. Option 1, we can actually enter on this candle closure right here. That's going to be option number 1. Okay, you're going to have a little worse of a risk to reward in this scenario. Okay, because we're already overextended below the inversion, but that's option number 1. And option number 2 is going to be a retest of the inversion, which is my favorite because it gives you a better RR. Right here on this retest, we're going to sell 1 here. Stop loss is going to be above this bearish FVG, not above the inversion in this example, above the bearish FVG that was left behind here. That's going to be the safest stop. TP is going to be at London low, TP1. TP2 will be at Asia lows. Okay, so option 2 is shorting on the retest. There's 2 ways to take the model. Enter on candle closure or on the retest. And then the rest is up to the market. We've done everything. We've identified our pattern. We're going to let this market now draw towards our liquidity pools. And boom, that is a full TP tagged and bagged. That is the inverted fair value gap model, guys. No liquidity, no trade. No V-shape, no trade. No draw on liquidity, no trade.